1923 Porsche Cayenne passenger screen installation tutorial. First, we pried at the baffle next to the passenger door. Unscrew the two screws inside. Remove the air outlet from the passenger seat. Next, pry out the decorative strip on the passenger seat. There is a hidden buckle under the decorative strip. You need to find the hidden buckle and pry it out with a screwdriver. I just need to pry up this hidden buckle. The next step is to pry out the air outlet under the screen. Here we need to put a towel underneath to prevent scratching the panel. Unplug the wire. Pry out the decorative strip on the left side of the screen. Unscrew the screen fixing screws. Take out the screen. Unplug the wire. Unscrew the screws on the passenger compartment. Pry out the decorative strips on the storage box. Unscrew the screws under the decorative strip. Now put the screen back on. Use the special key to take out the host from the storage box. Unplug the power cord and connect it to the one we provided. Plug the other end of the line back into the host. Use the threading strip to lead the extension cord to the top. Plug the extension cord into the screen cord. Install back the passenger screen. Tighten the screws back. Replace the trim strips. Comparison effect before and after installation.